Now let us do MCQs which are asked in model papers. For a PD, mean and standard deviation are equal. Mean and variance are equal. Standard deviation and variance are equal. And both A and B. Which is answer? Mean and variance are equal. Mean is NP and variance is equal to NP. Q is almost equal to 1. That you have binomial. NP, Q is variance. So if you take same way, NP, Q is variance, but Q is equal to 1, then it becomes NP only. Dash distribution is symmetrical when P is equal to 0.5. Binomial. Okay. Then the mean of a binomial distribution, the quartile deviation of a normal distribution is 10 and standard deviation is 4. The quartile deviation of a normal with mean 10 hai, and standard deviation is 4. Okay. Is now quartile deviation की formula क्या है? Quartile deviation is 2/3 of standard deviation. Yes or no? Yes. 10, 12, 15. तो ये क्या करो, 4 into 2/3 करो, या 4 into 0.6745 करो, 2.6, या 4 into exactly करेंगे तो 4 into 0.6745, 2.69. तो आंसर इज C है ना. ओके. देन fourth one, the mean of a binomial distribution with parameter n and p is NP. Total area of the normal curve is 1. The distribution usually applied for fitting a binomial distribution is known as, the distribution method usually applied for fitting a binomial distribution is known as method of moments. Please by heart this. इसको तुम मान लो. Poisson distribution may be unimodal, bimodal, multimodal. Poisson distribution is what? Bimodal. Bimodal कभी होता है? It may be unimodal or bimodal. If m is an integer, then it is bimodal. M और m-1 है कि नहीं? If m is a non-integer, तो उसके पहले का होता है कि नहीं? Yes or no? Okay. Which one it was? Seventh one. Okay. So it may be A or B. Yes. It may be bimodal or unimodal. The quartile deviation of a normal distribution is 4. Is 4.05. Then the mean deviation. Now see here how to do these problems. Okay. ये जो problems है ना, तो कैसे करने के? क्या दिया है इसने? Deviation of normal curve is 4.05. See here. ये ऐसा लिखे देने को, quartile deviation, mean deviation and ये 10, 12 and 15. Quartile deviation कितना बोला इसने? 4.05. Quartile deviation is 4.05. Now find what? Mean deviation. तो क्या होगा? 4.05 into 12/10. कितना? 4.86. 4.05 into 12 divided by 10. 4.8 ये लो. ये कैसे किया इन्होंने 4.8 किया इनका. सी लोग ने ऐसा किया. Quartile deviation is what? 2/3 into standard deviation. Okay. Now quartile deviation is 2/3 of standard deviation, that is 4.05 into 3/2 is standard deviation. तो standard deviation क्या होगा? 6.075. Standard deviation is 6.075 and mean deviation is 4/5 into 6.075. तो 4.86 ही आता है. हाँ, you make it 4.8. ओके, फॉलो दिस. इन्होंने फिर क्या किया होगा, इधर है ना, इधर इन लोग ने 2/3 नहीं लिया होगा, 0.67 ऐसे किया होगा. देखो 4.05 is equal to 0.6745 into standard deviation. Okay, so standard deviation will be 4.05 divided by 0.6745. So your standard deviation comes to 6. Yes. 6 into 4 divided by 5, exactly 4.8 आता है. ओके, इससे किया तो वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेने का. बिकॉज सम पीपल टेक QD is 2/3, approximately 2/3. Some take exact values 0.6745. Here they have taken exact value. कितना हो, कौन सा सम हो गया? 8th no? Yes, sir. 9th one. A binomial distribution is never symmetrical, never positively skewed, never negatively skewed, symmetrical when P is equal to 0.5. Yes. What is the answer? D. Dash distribution is sometimes known as distribution of rare events. It is not sometimes, it is known always as always distribution of rare events. तो हमेशा इसको भी बोलते हैं ना, rare events. तो कौन सा है? Poisson distribution, snake bites. ऐसे बता रहे example. Standard deviation of the dash distribution is called standard error. This problem is, this objective is sampling chapter का. Standard deviation of sampling distribution, what is called standard error. We proceed further. Yes. Yes. 13th, 12th one. In a binomial distribution, n is equal to 4 and p is equal to what? 1/3. The value of variance. Now what is the variance? NPQ, no? Yes, sir. तो 4 into 1/3 into 2/3, तो क्या होगा? 8/9 is the answer. 4 into 1/3 into 2/3. Standard deviation of a binomial distribution is root NPQ. The answer is B. The normal curve is bell shaped, U shaped, J shaped, inverted J shaped. The answer is bell shaped. The mean of a binomial distribution is 4 and standard deviation is √3. Then the value of n. Now see here, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? आंसर 16 आना चाहिए. बताता हूँ क्या बोला इन्होंने. मीन इज 4 नो, NP इज 4 एंड रूट NPQ क्या है? √3 है ना. तो NPQ अपॉन NP will be 3/4. So Q is equal to what? 3/4. So P is equal to what? 1/4. P is equal to 1/4. P is equal to 1/4. N into 1/4 is equal to mean, no? N is equal to क्या? 16. ऐसे सम आते रहेंगे. ओके. The mean of a binomial distribution is 4. Okay, and 15th. The results of one-day international matches, ODI matches, they should give the full form. All students are not supposed to know what is ODI. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है कि हर आदमी को क्रिकेट मालूम हो. ODI matches between India and Pakistan as follows. Which distribution? Binomial distribution. है ना? If a binomial distribution mean is equal to 20 and standard deviation is 4. Now standard deviation is 4. Then what is the variance? 16. है ना? हाँ वही mean variance 16 होगा. तो Q will be 16 upon 20. Yes. Q will be, that is 4/5. P will be 1/5. तो 1/5 5 से multiply करो. 100 आएगा आंसर. Mean will be 100. Just check it. In a binomial distribution, P denotes probability of success. If in a binomial distribution mean is 20 and standard deviation is 4, then P is equal to what? P is equal to 1/5. Just now we did. A normal curve is positively skewed, negatively skewed, सिमेट्रिकल, तो क्या होगा? सिमेट्रिकल. ओके, फॉलो दिस.